guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Bitcoin Cash to your Trust wallet. So guys, to do this is very easy. All you need to do is to follow the step I'm going to be showing you right now on how you can do that. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload new content like this, you are going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be introducing to you guys today is called coinport.in. So guys, if you are, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below on how you can read to the link to this site. I'm going to be leaving it in the description below. So when you click on the link, you are going to be taken directly to this place, and all you need to do is to click on register. And when you click on the register button, it's going to be taking up some time to load like this. So guys, when it's finished loading, it's going to be showing you this, and all you need to do is to scroll down. Now when you're here, all you need to do is to input your email address, your username, enter your password and repeat your password. Then you come over here, as you can see here, select the upside down picture. Now as you can see here, upside down picture like this. Now you are going to be clicking on it, and when you click on it, you come over here and click on sign up. So guys, when you sign up, you are going to be able to log into your account, and you'll be successfully into your account. So guys, when you are on your dashboard, you'll be seeing something like this. Now all you need to do, as you can see over here, the rules to remember: email verification. You are going to be sent a verification link to your email address to verify your account. Do not create multiple accounts, or else your account is going to be banned. And do not use VPN or proxy. So guys, when you scroll up, you'll be seeing the amount of coin I've acquired, although I've been testing this app for some time and it has been paying. So guys, this is what is left on my balance, and to earn on this site, all you need to do is to click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and when you click on it, you are going to be seeing over here how you can earn. You can earn by offer walls, faucet claims, daily bonus, PTC solve, crypto games, short links, also browsing, mining, and doing tax and some achievements. So guys, as you can see here, there's a lot of way to earn on this site. So guys, when you've acquired some coin on this site, all you need to do to withdraw after cash, let me just try showing you a way like this, like the daily bonus. All you need to do, when you click on daily bonus, it's going to be loading up. So guys, as you can see over here, when you scroll down, you're going to scroll down to the last part, then come over here and select upside down picture, as we are going to be doing now. Now you click on claim reward. So guys, when you click on the claim reward, it's going to be loading up, and as you can see, daily bonus successfully claimed. So guys, another way to earn is by doing some faucet, which I'm going to be showing you by clicking on faucet claim, which is over here. Now as you can see, we have 100 coins left, 100.175 claim reward left. So guys, when you scroll down, so we have 100 coins to claim, and when you click and when you see over here, we have 24 claims left. So all you need to do is to scroll up a bit and click on collect reward. So when you click on collect reward, you are going to be given some coins. Like you see here, click on the antibot 296, which is over here, 296, and also clicking on the upside down pictures. Now click on claim, and when you click on claim, guys, this is what is going to be showing you. We've claimed 100.175 points, and it has been added to our dashboard balance. So to withdraw on this side, all you need to do is to scroll, or when you click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, as you are going to be seeing here. So you are going to be seeing withdraw over here. So when you click on withdraw, when you click on the withdraw button, this is what is going to be showing you. Like I said earlier, make sure you verified your email address so that you are going to be able to withdraw this coin. So you click on select payment method. When you click on the select payment method, you click on faucet. Now you are going to be selecting currency for faucet pay. And in this video, I'm showing you on Bitcoin Cash. You're going to be clicking on Bitcoin Cash, which is over here. As you can see, you can claim many other coins. And when you click on Bitcoin Cash, this is the amount of coins we've claimed so far, and this is what is going to be sent to our faucet pay account. All you need to do is to input your email address and click on the withdraw button. When you click on the withdraw button, it's going to be telling you to confirm your information. Then you go ahead and click on confirm. And as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins. As you can see. So guys, when you have gotten to the minimum withdrawal, which is 1,000 coins, you're going to be withdrawing directly to your faucet pay, then directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, this is how you can earn Bitcoin Cash or any other coin on this site. So guys, if you are watching, if you know you enjoyed this video and you like what I'm doing on this channel, please make sure you leave a nice comment in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be updated on that. Thanks for watching.